Ganda nga. Beautiful day. Ang layo, no? Siguro pag summer to, punong-puno.
Ay, siguro.
In summertime, it's full. Ha?
Lucky you.
Blessed.
If I have my citizenship.
You can still come with me, babe. You want me downstairs? You do need to bring your Filipino passport.
No, I don't have to renew it because I just applied
For May, June. By June, we should have it. But the thing is, still, because I'm resident full. When I come back, just show my ID, my driver license, that's it.
So the Turkish restaurant is still there. The song.
Of course, but there's no Romania, because if you wouldn't be Romanian, you're not going to disappear. You're going to make more. But then I know for a fact there's no Romanian. I mean, it wasn't, because they were still there, Romanian. They haven't brought it. Never kills the show.
Ayan guys, so ito yung Histing Beach Resorts. Sa ngayon, wala pa masyadong tao kasi siyempre malamig. At saka yung sasakit din. Pero maganda yung panahon, may araw. Diba? So, yun, medyo mayroon ding umupo, mayroon ding naglalakad lang. Medyo mabato lang yung nila. Bato siya. Mga tables. Pero maganda. Kanina pa ako nagsasabing maganda siya. Kasi, at saka yung presko yung hangin. Tahimik. Ganda ng lakad. Ganoon lang din yung mga tao dito. Naglalakad lang din sila.
Okay, I'm curious how many miles don't. 1 o'clock.
Tapos yung harap. Yan yung harap yung mga building, mga hotel. Let's go.
We did 8,000 steps.
Huh?
8,000 steps.
Just a little.
In Warwick Castle, eh? The birds. Yeah.
For food, that's what.
Ano kayang kinukuha nila? O tingnan mo, nagdala talaga sila ng bag.
Tato.
Bato.
Tulad mo. They want the stove as well.
If I were digging, I wouldn't take the stone home. Better stay here. You have the stone always with you.
Next
Just a little bit.
Iyayain mo dito.
Ayoko ayoko kasi pag kasama yung mga bata.
They're camping.
Oh, I like that camping.
Me too. I enjoy this.
Yeah, it's nice, huh?
We tried that Asian restaurant. It was expensive.
Where?
Yan sa taas na yan.
Ang
Asian, Chinese restaurant.
Ah.
Tinignan namin yan.
Oh, mahal syempre.
Oo, di ba?
Kasi nandito siya eh.
Oo.
At saka medyo parang connect siya dyan sa hotel, ah. No?
Oh, yeah. And then we walk and found Iceland.
Honey, there's 1,000 times I mentioned to you. We're not bored.
Na ano ito? So you please stop. I'm really, I have enough.
Honey, I wonder what's under.
Do we need under? Which under?
No, no, no.
You know, maganda nga
I
yun.
think we go all the way up and then someone might be there.
Ah, siguro yung shoot tatawid doon sa kabila.
Yung bababa ka, hindi ka na magagamit ng traffic lights. Oh, let's check the...
Meron nagsisigawan.